Hi sellers, welcome to this video where we'll show you how to create a removal order using a template file on Amazon Seller Central. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to remove your inventory from Amazon's fulfillment centers in bulk, saving you time and effort, especially for large sets of ASINs. To get started, log into your Amazon Seller Central account and tap the menu icon in the top left corner. Go to Inventory and click on Manage All Inventory. Here, filter your inventory by choosing Amazon. Under the Fulfilled By option, select the ASIN or SKU you want to remove from Amazon's fulfillment center. Then, from the Select Group Action menu, choose Create Removal Order. You'll be taken to the next page. At the top right of the page, click on Create Removal Order with Template File. This will bring you to the Upload Removal Order File page. In the Prepare Your Removal Order File section, click on Download Template. When the download window appears, open the downloaded Excel file. You'll notice several tabs in the file. Check the Removal Data Definitions tab to get familiar with the information you'll need to fill in the template. Check the Example tab to see a pre-filled sample. Click on the Removal Request tab to view and edit the template for creating return or disposal requests with Amazon. The column headers in bold are required fields to make sure your request uploads successfully. Be sure to complete all required fields. Fill in the required fields as shown below. Merchant Removal Order ID. Enter a custom alphanumeric ID up to 10 characters. This helps you track the order and will appear on your packing slip and label. Removal Disposition. Type return if you want the items sent back to you or dispose if you want them discarded. Name, address, phone. Enter accurate return contact details. Merchant SKU. Enter the correct merchant SKU, sellable quantity, and unsellable quantity. Type in how many sellable or unsellable units you want to remove. These numbers can be 0 or any positive value. If a certain field doesn't apply, just leave it empty. Don't write NA or any other text. When you're finished, save the file as a text or tab delimited format. Now, go back to the Upload Removal Order File page in Seller Central. Click on Choose File. Select your saved template and then click Upload Now. Next, you'll see the upload status in the Review File, Status and History section. Once it's processed, your removal orders will show up in the Manage Orders section, and you'll also get a confirmation email. A few important things to remember. Standard removal processing takes 10 to 14 business days. During peak times, processing may take up to 30 days. Your listings will stay active until the items are packed for removal. If a removal order gets canceled, just submit the removal request again. If your second attempt fails, reach out to seller support. And that's all there is to it. You've now successfully created a removal order using bulk upload with a template file. By following these steps, you'll keep your inventory management running smoothly and your business on track. Thank you for watching and happy selling!